So the next stage, I've got my circles here, and they need to sit inside these frames. These frames are all identical. I've got a bunch of them to do, and they've got mitered corners. They're all identical in size, and what I want to do is put a little domino at the corner here to strengthen this mitre, like so. So since all the components are identical, I've got a couple of jigs that are going to help me cut the mitres accurately and identically many times over, and I'll show you those now. Okay, got this little thing that I put together, and what it'll do is hold my pieces in place in exactly the same position every time, so I can just plunge, move it to the second position, plunge the other end, take the next piece, and so on. And then when I put them all together, the mortises are always going to be in exactly the same place. So I'll show you how this works. It's all done with just scraps and you know, my glue gun. Here we go. This is all just to keep it from moving around, and this just references the domino. So push that up there, slide that in place. I should add that these pieces are slightly lower than this one, just so that when I press down, it's clamping this and not these. Let's do the second one. Pairs, they're all glued up, nice and accurate, really tight mitres there, and the mortises are all done on these ends as well and over here. So the next step is to glue these pairs up into squares, so I'll get along with that now.